Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI Noir, and we have another unboxing for you. As you guys can see here, this box is bigger than our typical boxes you usually see, but nonetheless, just kind of want to give you quick background about this particular order. Actually, I received two big boxes like this and a couple of individual orders earlier today. So, without further ado, just want to jump in real quick. So basically, this was supposed to be a part of a group order for a groom who's getting married several weeks ago. And unfortunately, we were unable to fulfill this order for them. Ended up refunding them or whatnot. But nonetheless, the groom was very happy with his order of our Belgian loafers. He loved them. They were amazing. He got plenty of positive reviews for them. Unfortunately, his groomsmen weren't able to swag out with our Belgian Monk slippers, as you can see here. But I digress. Everyone was satisfied, and hopefully we can work something out where we can actually gift these to the groomsmen as a wedding gift or whatnot. Ultimately, we're just trying to practice good business, positive ethos, and really just wanting folks to support what we're doing here at KOFFI Noir. As you guys can see here, the groom wore, this same type of cognac colored Belgian slipper with the tassels in a mustard yellow velvet on the upper, which differed here, right? Where you see just it's the same style, but yet what's included is the leather strap that goes over your toe bed. But with that being said, these things are amazing. They came out really, really nice. I like just the naturalness of the Belgian slipper, the Belgian Monk slipper that we have here. That red lining is amazing as well. Look at it, how it just bursts off the screen. And I must say, these most definitely would have been a killer. These guys would have been swagged out for sure. But and then also too, this was a good choice because you can wear this after the wedding, right? These are a very stylish, very casual slipper, perfect for the summertime and guaranteed to elevate your style, all those things of that nature. And you're most definitely going to turn heads because you don't see people walking around with Belgian Monk slippers. So yeah, guys, let us know what you think about the Dennis Double Monk Belgian Slipper. These are super comfortable, super stylish, and most importantly, we guarantee that they will elevate your wardrobe and your overall sense of style. Again, at KOFFI Noir, we are about creating relevant statement pieces that stick with you, and hopefully the Double Monk Belgian Slipper is able to be a part of your wardrobe going forward. Interested in purchasing a pair of shoes from us? Head over to KOFFINOIR.com. For inquiries or any questions, email us at info@KOFFINOIR.com, or you can even follow us on Instagram at KOFFI Noir. Thank you, everyone, for your continued support in the growth of our YouTube channel. Also, to the new folks that are following our channel, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any notifications when it comes to KOFFI Noir related content. Again, thank you for the support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.